Next up on copycat.com, how to make a Starbucks Peppermint Mocha. All right, so Starbucks Peppermint Mocha is a delicious coffee beverage that is not served all the time. Now, this is a latte that's made with Mocha Syrup, which is a chocolate syrup, and peppermint syrup, and it's so easy to make. And guess what? It tastes just like it does in the restaurant. All right, so let's talk about how to make the strong coffee. If you don't have an espresso maker, these mocha pots right here are great. They're about $20 or so. They make a really good, strong coffee. The coffee, you put the water down here and the steam comes to the top right here. And this brews a really nice strong coffee. Or if you have like a drip maker, or if you have a drip coffee maker, make the coffee with the normal strength that you normally would, and then pull out or pull away the coffee pot so it will steep for longer. I recommend steeping it for an additional 45 seconds or so. This way you get a more rich and robust flavor of coffee. All right, the next thing you need to do is you're going to heat up about a half a cup of 2% milk. Now I like this device to froth milk. You're just gonna pour your warm milk in here and froth it simply by going up and down like this. It's really easy to do. If you don't have one of these, you can use a French press, or you can put the warm milk in a jar and shake the heck out of it. If you don't have that, maybe you have an immersion blender, blend it for about 30 seconds in a tall glass so it doesn't spill out the sides, and you're gonna have warm, fresh milk. To build this, go ahead and get your frothed milk ready and off to the side. Then you are going to put in your mocha syrup, your peppermint syrup. Now I used Torani brand. Moen also makes a really nice brand as well. Pour that in. Then you're gonna pour in your 2 ounces of strongly brewed coffee or espresso. Top it with about a half cup of the froth and heated 2% milk. Then you're gonna put whipped cream on top and then a little more chocolate syrup if you desire. Now, if you wanna order this drink any time of the year at Starbucks, it is on their seasonal menu only. All you need to do is ask for a mocha latte and add peppermint syrup, and you can get it anytime you want. And as you know, you can get it topped with whipped cream for no extra charge. So go ahead and do that to order it any time of year. But hey, if you want to make one, here we go. I will give this a taste. Oh, that's a nice sweet treat. It's in the afternoon right here, and really good. So this was simple to make. Now, how does this rate compared to Starbucks? I'm gonna give this 8 out of 10 stars just because I'm not using the same exact syrups as Starbucks. Starbucks uses their own brand of syrups. And I believe that the Ghirardelli Mocha syrup that I use is a delicious tasting brand. And I used Torani peppermint syrup. Now, peppermint syrup isn't some exotic ingredient that is super special. Most peppermint syrups all taste the same, so no worries there. Where I kind of miss a little bit is that I did not use Starbucks brand coffee. You can easily do this if you buy Starbucks coffee. I am using a bag currently right now from Costco that I'm enjoying, so that's what I happen to have. So a little bit of a miss, but you can easily correct that by using the Starbucks brand coffee. And so it's pretty good. So how does this rate? Overall, it's pretty good. I really enjoy this cup of joe here. It's a nice sweet treat and it saves a lot of money. I mean, what do these cost at Starbucks? $3, $4? I don't even know. I use the mobile app, so who knows how much that stuff costs. All I know is I gotta reload my card sometimes. But you can make this drink at home and it's really easy to do. Now, if you've watched this video this far, drop me a comment down below. Perhaps you want to tell me what Starbucks drink you would like to see next. I love making Copycat coffee drinks because I think they're so accessible and they're so easy to do. And gosh, you can save a ton of money if you just stay away from the coffee house a couple of times a week. So again, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Hey, are you still watching? I got a couple more video recommendations for you. Check out these great videos.